Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Banknifty only. So I hope you have enjoyed my analysis and might have ended up into a good profit as well. So let us start with the post-market analysis. So on YouTube and TradingView as well, I had shared my analysis for today. So one thing I would like to show you that if you know this, it's well and good. Otherwise, those who don't know, it's for them. So when you see the post on the trading view or when I try to explain it, try to look over here as well. So it says short. So my view was short yesterday. That is to short the bank nifty, and also I have mentioned the strategy to follow. Buy on dips at support of 36,000 and sell on rise at 36,500 levels. Okay, so this was the statement, that is buy on dips. If market opens gap down, then you can buy on dips, or come to this particular level, then you can buy on dips at 36,000 level because it was a strong support, and sell on rise. That is, if market opens gap up and reaches out to this particular level, then you can buy a put. This was the strategy to follow. So let us see how it went yesterday. So you can clearly see that market opened with a small gap and it straight away went down to this particular level. Okay, 36,000. It even broke this level, but buyers uh, did not, what I mean to say, buyers push back the price. Okay, and one more thing, if you know the basics of the candlestick patterns, or those who don't know, please go through the videos in my playlist, or whatever the category may be. So one thing I would like to show, the candle formed at, so this is a 15 minutes time frame, right? The candle formed at 9:30 after closing of 9:30 minutes. You can see this candle what I'm highlighting. It is also called as a pin bar candle or a dragonfly. Okay, and it most important is the formation of candle. You should be aware that it is formed at the support. So you can enter into the trade after closing of this candle, and you saw a almost rally of about 200 to 300 points, from 36,000 to 36,320 almost. Okay, and then it faced the resistance and it continued its downtrend. So yesterday we had clearly analyzed that market is in still downtrend, and it needs to cross 36,800 level. It needs to break this high for the up movement or bullish movement. In my yesterday video, I had clearly stated this thing. Okay, so now let us see what are the intraday levels for tomorrow. So still, uh, my view is bearish. Still, market is in downtrend, and it has not shown any sign of reversal. So that is why I have indicated by these arrows. So let us see what do we have. At the bottom, we have 35,000 level, which is a strong support compared to 35,500 level. In between, we have a small support at 35,200 level, and stronger resistance at 36,000, strong resistance at 36,500, and more strongest resistance at 37,000 level. So yesterday, if you analyze or compare this zone, it was a strong resistance zone between 100 level, 36,700 to 800. Now this zone has expanded. How do we come to know? If we analyze the option chain data for Bank Nifty from the OI column, you would come to know that more positions have been created at this particular level, right? Next, what do we see? 36,200 level another has become another good resistance level. So that's why I have marked this. So you can mark this level in your chart as well and trade accordingly. So let us see, if market opens gap up, then do not enter into the trade on buying side. Okay, because we don't see any specific support at this particular level. Rather than wait for the market to approach this level, 36,000 level, because we have clearly seen that 36,000 level has broken, and when a support is broken, it acts as a resistance. Okay, so you can enter into the sell trade when it reaches this particular point. If market opens flat, uh, somewhat close to this particular level, 35,700, then let it show its move, and based on the movement you can take the trade. Most preferably, if market is somewhat to this level, enter into the sell trade. If close to this particular level, and if you see a bullish candle or a bullish candle form, you can enter into the trade of buying a call, but keep it short trade. Okay. Or what I see is, if market takes the support of this particular level and trends at least 1 hour, okay, then we can see market going into a sideways zone between this particular level, between the range of 36,000 and 35,500. Okay, at least in the first half, and next half it can break down. So if it breaks down, then market can come down to 35,000 level as well, breaking the 35,200 level, because if we look at the previous section, we do not find any specific support. Okay, so this was it regarding the intraday levels and analysis. Now from the learning point of view, or from price action point of view, soon I would be sharing with you guys this indicator, because the indicator which I have is integrated into, or is a combination of 4-5 indicators. I would separate out this code. So considering the price action pattern, we can trade this beautifully. And this is the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so what we can see, when market started moving down, it created a lower low and a lower high was created. Next, when higher low was created, when market wants to move up, it should break this lower high. Okay, it should break this lower high, but it could not break this lower high. It created another lower low and it continued its downtrend. Okay, so for the safer side, uh, to enter into the trade, what you can do is, when this level is broken, when this higher low is broken, you can enter into the trade, which was close to 36,000 a level. So you might have got another 200 points profit as well. Okay, so this was from 15 minutes time frame, considering the price action indicator. Now we would see in higher time frame. So in higher time frame also, if we see that over here on 30th of November, last lower high was created. Okay, and when market tried to bounce back, it tried to break, but it could not sustain above this particular level, and from this particular level it reversed back again. Okay, so it should break this level. So in my previous video also I had said that 36,800 level should be broken, so that we can see some upward movement as well. So this was in 2 hours time frame, and for more details we can see in 1 hour time frame as well. So after formation of lower low and lower high, market turned up and formed first higher low. Okay, but in order for a bullish movement or confirmed bullish trend, it should break this lower high and sustain at least a 5 minutes candle. 5 minutes candle. If we are looking in 1 hour time frame, then 1 hour time frame candle should close above this particular level. But what do we see? It just broke and it closed below. Okay, and from same level market reversed back. So still we can say market is in downtrend, and it would continue to be in downtrend as well. Okay, so before I close, one more quick learning regarding fib retracement. So now it depends upon each person how they draw the fib retracement. As soon as I get time, I would make another video on fib retracement as well. So let me show you. This is the tool. In the left hand panel you can see fib retracement. I select this and how much it would retrace. So basically we can draw by placing the first point at this particular level and drag it to the low. Okay, so this is how we draw fib retracement. So when market travel from this particular low to this, from swing high, we can say a swing high to swing low, okay, how much it would retrace. So this is the exact level, you can see 0.50. I hope you are able to see the levels from where the market has reversed today. So this is sharp at 10:45, okay, 10:45, and we saw another good downfall as well. So usually people consider these two levels as golden levels as well, 0.63, 0.6 or zero point 0.5. So this is what I wanted to show. I would make another video for fib retracement. I hope you like my analysis. Please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.